Okay, I'm at Muckross Abbey. There's a cemetery attached. Very old looking tombstones, but some of them are not that old. For instance, 2006. There's an old one. And then very old ones. Like that. But let me show you, what's this? Some ancient ruined abbey. It's called Muckross Abbey. Let's go look inside. There's no roof in here. You come in here and it's just empty with some kind of slabs on the side. Don't know what that was. Ruins of an abbey. Something about 1677 and then 1728. It's in Irish. Oh, look at this hallway. Wow. And in the center here is this big tree. Huh. I don't know. Some kind of a monastery. A cloister. And to the side, here's another room. I'm doing this live, folks. I don't know what's here until I show it to you on my phone. Live explorations. My whole thing is I show things as I see them. No editing tools here. Somewhere that's too dark for me to see, but maybe my camera can see it. I'll have to go in there later on. And we're back outside to the cemetery. Here's what this building looks like on this side. I'm underneath a pine tree somehow. These are the trees. Doesn't look like an American pine tree. Alright, that's about it. I think this is one of my longer videos. Just very interesting. That's all I gotta say. Of course, I'm in Killarney National Forest in Ireland, and it's Muckross Abbey.